First, gotta take this belt off. A previous owner was nice enough to round off all these bolts here for this vacuum pump. I seen some video where a dude took an angle grinder, cut the fucking tube off, or the pulley off, and this doodad here, the vacuum part. A little ridiculous. Napa. Rinse out this pulley puller. Pretty much just buy it and then you take it back. That's how that works. See how it does. Boom. There, that ought to be much easier. I got this bolt extractor kit from Lowe's. It's like $20. Hopefully it works. If not, I got a hammer and chisel on standby and vice grips, all that shit. But now that pulley's off, I got plenty of room to work with. Motherfucker. Motherfucker stuck on there. See, old one. Sounds like shit. New one. Much more better. Hopefully. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, really. I just got stopped by the man and harassed about working in the parking lot here at the complex. And I was here about 10 years ago, and there's a pile of shit junk fucking look just like this shit. Look at this. Look at this pile of shit. Look at that motherfucker. Look at it. Look, that ain't mine. That's just fucking somebody else left their fucking hot garbage here. And there's mine, working on it, trying to get my fucking truck fixed. Been on it for 2 days now. 2 days I've been parked here working on this thing. You ever feel like some people just be fucking with you just cause? Like you just got a sign on your fucking forehead that says, hey, fuck with me. Dang. Anyhow, all back together. Got the belt back on. If you can, get yourself some ratchet wrenches. That would have saved me a shitload of time. I don't have all my tools where I'm at, so I got tired of spending money on parts and tools, so I just went ahead with a regular 10mm wrench. But if you can, get yourself some ratchet wrenches. Socket and ratchets won't fit back in there. So that's that. It's still making a little bit of noise, not the pump, but my power steering pump. So that'll be next. See if I can't get everything running good and all that shit. If my trial and error helped out anybody, or even if you just like my maintenance videos, give me a like, comment, share, subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Definitely do that shit. Stay tuned. Power steering pump is next, and switch out these hubs here soon too for the Warren premium hubs. Don't forget to subscribe.